Most Naperville sellers don't realize the biggest timeline mistakes happen before they ever talk to an agent. They make emotional or financial assumptions that quietly put them months behind before the process even starts. And before you decide anything, get your free home value so you're not guessing about timing, pricing, or strategy. Let's walk through what the real Naperville home selling timeline actually feels like from the first private thoughts about moving all the way to the closing table. Long before a home ever hits the market, there's usually a quiet decision phase that can last weeks or even months. And this is where the sellers in Naperville start having lifestyle conversations at the kitchen table. You start hearing questions like, do we really need more space? Should we downsize before interest rates change again? Can we afford the next move if we wait too long? At the same time, there's often behind-the-scenes financial scenario testing happening. People are checking rough mortgage estimates, browsing homes online, and mentally calculating renovation costs or moving budgets. The challenge is during this phase, most sellers are working with incomplete information. They're trying to predict outcomes without knowing what their current home would realistically sell for. And that's why getting a clear valuation early isn't a commitment, it's a protection. It gives you clarity before momentum builds in the wrong direction. And transitioning from private thinking to practical planning is where the real timeline begins to take shape. Once a seller decides to move forward, the timeline becomes more visible, but also more complex. This is when valuation insight starts shaping real strategy. Instead of guessing what improvements matter, you begin sequencing preparation steps intentionally. For example, some homes in Naperville benefit from light cosmetic updates first, while others gain more value simply from strategic staging and pricing alignment. Preparation isn't just about fixing things, it's about marketing readiness. Photography timing, listing launch windows, and buyer activity cycles, and neighborhood competition all play a role. And when these prices are coordinated well, the timeline feels structured. When they're rushed or misaligned, sellers often experience unnecessary stress later. This is also where flexibility becomes critical. There's no universal checklist that works for every property, every price range, or every motivation level. If you want a deeper walkthrough of this planning stage, I break it down step by step in my video, How to Sell a House in Naperville, a step-by-step 2026 guide, which helps connect preparation decisions to real outcomes. As preparation wraps up, the process shifts into the most visible and emotional phase. Once your home is live on the market, the timeline becomes less about planning and more about managing momentum and expectations. Showings can feel exciting at first, and then tiring, then uncertain. It's very normal for Naperville sellers to experience showing fatigue, which is keeping the home perfectly ready day after day while trying to maintain normal routines. And at the same time, there's often growing anticipation around offers. Some sellers expect immediate results, and others worry when activity fluctuates. The truth is that market response can move in waves, and emotional reactions tend to follow those waves closely. When offers do come in, negotiation tension becomes the next major timeline moment. Price is only one factor. Terms, contingencies, closing flexibility, and buyer strength all influence how the timeline unfolds from this point forward. This is where having clarity early pays off, because decisions feel more grounded and less reactive. And even after a contract is accepted, the journey is far from over. And before we go further, if you haven't already, this is a smart time to check your home value so you understand how your timeline decisions connect to real market positioning. Many sellers assume that once they accept an offer, the hardest part is done. In reality, this phase introduces a different kind of pressure. Inspection periods can create anxiety. Unexpected repair requests or negotiations can shift expectations quickly. Then comes appraisal uncertainty. Even strong contracts can feel temporarily unsettled while lenders verify value. And at the same time, moving logistics start becoming very real. Packing timelines, coordinating new housing, school transitions, and daily life disruptions all converge during this stage. This is where flexibility mindset matters most. No transaction is perfectly smooth and no timeline is perfectly predictable. But when sellers understand the range of possibilities ahead of time, they tend to feel more confident navigating surprises without panic. Ultimately, the Naperville home selling timeline isn't a straight line. It's a sequence of decision phases, emotional, financial, and practical, that require calm guidance more than rigid scheduling. If you're starting to think about selling and want clarity on where you are in this timeline, the best next step is simply to get informed before you commit to anything. This is Gimpert with O'Neill Property Group, and I'll see you in the next video.